Congratulations on starting your braces journey. In this video, we're going to go over how to take care of and live life with braces. There are a couple of things to be aware of when taking care of braces. First is what you're eating. Oftentimes, certain foods can knock off brackets or bend wires. This prevents your teeth from moving correctly. It's important to avoid any hard, chewy, sticky, or crunchy foods. This includes things like bagels, caramels, candies, nuts, gum, and foods that you have to bite into, like apples and carrots. If we are eating things like apples and carrots, make sure to cut them up into tiny pieces and be mindful about how you bite down to chew. It is safe to eat anything soft and easy to chew. This includes things like cheese, breads, pasta, soft meats, beans, bananas, and some cake and ice cream for dessert. The second thing to be aware of with braces is how we are cleaning our teeth. It is important to set aside extra time to make sure you are cleaning your teeth and braces thoroughly every day. Step 1. Flossing. Ordinary floss picks don't work with braces because they can't get past your wire and to your gums. Instead, we will provide you with a couple tools to help you out. First is the floss threader. Use the floss threader with regular dental floss. Put one end of the floss through the loop, stick the pointy end of the threader under your wire, hold one end of the floss and pull the threader so the other side of the floss is on the other side of the wire. From here, the floss is able to get up into your gums to remove any excess debris. Make sure you floss thoroughly around each tooth. If you are able, feel free to use a water flosser instead, as it can easily spray and target areas around your wires and brackets. Step 2. Brushing. We also provide you with some proxy brushes. Use the proxy brush bristles to push out any food chunks from under your wire and to brush in between each bracket. You can even use a little bit of toothpaste on the proxy brush to help clean those hard to reach places. The proxy brushes are reusable, so just give them a rinse and you're good to go. In order to brush your teeth, use your toothbrush and make small circular motions around your tooth, gums, and all sides of your braces brackets. Make sure to hold your toothbrush at different angles to ensure you're brushing as many parts of the braces and your teeth as you can. Make sure to brush for at least 2 minutes 2 times a day to keep your teeth and gums healthy. As your teeth and mouth get used to the braces and movement, they may become sore or irritated. To help this, we recommend taking Tylenol and rinsing your mouth with warm salt water to toughen your cheeks, lips, and gums to prevent irritation from rubbing. In your care kit, we also provide you with some braces wax. If there's anything slightly rough or pokey in your mouth, take a piece of wax about the size of a pea, ball it up, and stick it over top of the uncomfortable appliance part. This will cover anything pokey and smooth it over. Feel free to reapply wax as needed. If something is rubbing and causes a sore, dry the sore spot and apply a small amount of Brace Relief Oragel to temporarily numb the area while it heals. With braces, you may also notice your teeth feel a little bit loose. Don't worry, it's totally normal and just means your teeth are moving, which is what we want them to do. If a bracket detaches from your tooth, it is considered a broken bracket or loose bracket. If this happens, use some braces wax to keep it in place on the wire, or if it falls off the wire, save it in a plastic bag. Contact us to get it repaired as soon as possible and be sure to bring the bracket with you. Sometimes, as your teeth move, your wire may shift in a way that exposes some extra length at the ends. If this part of the wire is long and poking into your cheeks or gums, contact us to schedule an appointment to adjust the ends for you. If the wire is short and feels a bit pokey, use your braces wax and rinse with warm salt water until your next regular appointment. And that's it. Now you're a braces pro. A copy of these instructions will be emailed to you, but please let us know if you would also like a paper copy. Congratulations again on starting your braces journey.